What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you are not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. In today's Makeup Monday video, I will be showing you guys some little changes that I've made in my everyday makeup routine. It is nothing too drastic, nothing major. They're basically changes that I've made based on makeup hacks that I've watched on TikToks that I find very convenient, or I find them better than the regular makeup stuff that I used to do. I hope you guys take some notes so you can try them for yourself and let me know how they work for you. Enough bickering from me, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I do is I refresh the shape of my natural eyebrows, aka giving my eyebrows a line up. With this eyebrow razor right here, I usually just go around the perimeters of my natural brow and trim away the new growth. Personally, for me, I don't like shaving my eyebrows simply because I don't have any, as you can see, and what's the point of shaving something you don't have? Now, when I just refresh the shape of my natural eyebrows, it makes it easier for me to basically fill my eyebrows in. I'm not going to do it on camera because I literally did it like 2 days ago, but you get the gist. After refreshing the shape of my natural brows, I'm going to go ahead and tame my eyebrows. Now, in taming my eyebrows, I'm going to use this stick glue and my spoolie, basically just to keep it in place. Because my eyebrows are like super bad. I have bad hair, guys, like I have been always saying. Despite the fact that I refresh the shape of my natural brows, sometimes I have eyebrows or some loose brows sticking out, going all over the place, making it seem as if I never tried. But using these two bad guys right here is basically just going to give me the chance to keep it in place, basically taming my eyebrows. See? Laid. I don't put a lot because if you do put a lot, the residue of the glue will literally show when you're applying like your eyebrow pencil or your eyebrow pomade. Would you look at that? So it's natural shape, and as you saw, I placed the glue on it to tame it into like one position, and I'm just going to let that dry for a while, then start filling in my eyebrows. Going in with my dark brown eyebrow pomade and the applicator, I am basically just going to, like I said before, fill my brows in. And recently what I started doing is I do this in strokes. So usually I used to draw a line under, then draw a line above and stuff. I don't do that anymore. I go in using strokes. You'll see. After filling my brows in, I am now going to use this LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm going to be using this to clean my brows up. Well, at least I'm going to be using it to clean the bottom of my brows. Now I'm just going to use my concealer brush to blend out the excess concealer from outlining the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to use this LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Chestnut on the top of my brows. After that, I'm going to go in with this concealer brush to blend again. Apply any primer of your choice. For me personally, I like using Milk of Magnesia. So the Milk of Magnesia started drying rapidly on my face. Now I'm about to go in with my foundation and my foundation brush. The difference between what I usually do is I am not using a beauty blender today. I'm using a brush. After applying my foundation and blending it out to my satisfaction, I'm now going to apply some setting powder. Now this is the only time I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and it's because I don't really trust applying powder with the brushes as yet. While my setting powder do its thing, I'm going to apply some lash. Instead of using the applicator of the glue, I open it up and use the end of my tweezer to manipulate the amount of glue I want to put on my lash. In doing so, for me, it makes it easier and less messy as to using the applicator on the top of the glue. After applying my lashes, I'm now going to remove the excess setting powder. After removing the excess setting powder, I'm now going to define my waterline, because as you can see, it looks like I don't even have any. So here we go. Now I'm going to go in with my lip gloss. Now I'm going to go in with the best part, my highlight. For the final touch, I'm going to add some setting spray. that is it from me in today's video, guys. I hope you found this content appealing. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.